What a day it was yesterday. The price bounced exactly around our AMA, the $5.30, and went higher. However, we talked about the $10.10. We always do update here on our channel. If you don't see the video, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update for MMTLP and MAT. And we discussed the $10.10 yesterday YouTube video, and today in the pre-market. We said the $10.10 should be the breakout for MMTLP. Of course, the price went right around the $9.99 and got rejected. Who sold there? And where the price will go for MMTLP? Are we gonna have another sell-off? We're gonna discuss the price action before Monday, because everybody knows this is the short judgment day. So we have to discuss the squeeze area, the support area, everything you want to know before Monday. And of course, let me just go for MAT, then we're gonna go back for MMTLP. The price jump and squeeze over the $2.28, but went down. You know why? Because we are filling the gap. The good reaction have a huge wick and the price went higher and is still holding above the $2. So now the $2 is psychological level. The next time we break the $2 here around this area, the $2.28, once again we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure to go toward the $2.84 and the $3.78. And if you remember, last time we talked about MAT, we said the bottom should be the $1.60. And guess what? We hold above the $1.63, just 3 cents from our support. And that's why we said we need to hold it. If we don't, of course, we're gonna go toward, as we said, the $1.35. Fortunately, we didn't go below it, and that's why we saw the big buying pressure for MAT and MMTLP at the same time. Who bought MAT bought MMTLP a big whale yesterday before the market closed. So let's discuss MMTLP, the squeeze area, and what we should expect. The good reaction now that we actually bounced from our AMA. And the second good reaction is we are holding above our support. You see it here, we already put our drawing above the $7.53. You see this wick, a huge whale, but again, when the price went below it, any price, don't close below the $7.53 is good. That's why we saw a wick. A wick is mean there is a huge buying pressure. The price went down and bought back pretty quick. So now we need to hold above the $7.53 to confirm this buying pressure was genuine, and the next time we're gonna break the $10.10, because after we clear the $10.10, this will be the squeeze for MMTLP to go first around the $12.45, then of course the 15 and the 20, but the $10.10 will give us the ignition for the squeeze. And of course, holding above this support to confirm that. We don't want to have any price close below here, because this will be a sign of weakness and going toward the $3.33. Just watch out. And for MMAT, of course, we need to hold above the $2 preferably, and the bottom should be the $1.63. Already confirmed, so we don't want to have the price going down again around the $1.63 is mean a weakness, and the price will go toward the $1.24. We don't want to have this reaction. As we said before Monday, we need to hold at least above the $1.63 and preferably above the $2 to have the squeeze pretty soon before the end of this week and going toward the $2.84. Let me just go to the SPY, because the SPY have a weakness. Last time we talked about the SPY, it was around this important ascending channel. Look what's going on for the SPY, because this will change everything for the market. Look, we have 4 tests. This the first, and the short seller came in heavily and the price went down. The second time it was around the 25th of March and we went down heavily, and here around the 10th of August, and we got shorted heavily for the whole market, and we got a recovery now. And guess what? This the fourth rejection. But the good reaction is we're still holding above this support, the 389. So this is it for the SPY and the whole market. If we held this level and then we broke this ascending channel from above and we saw the 400 at least and 14, This will give us the first signal for interim bullish trend, and the best signal for the whole market to enter bullish trend is the 430. You tell me, Jesus, why you talk about the SPY? This video should be about MMAT and MMTLP. This will be a good question because the SPY is the volume gainer for the whole stocks, because it's kind of the sentiment. If the market is bullish, it's easier for MMTLP and MAT to squeeze really hard. So that's why we have to be extra careful for the sentiment of the market. If we clear the 430, let's say for the next year, will be a good anticipation that we're going to have a huge squeeze for a small market cap like MAT and MMTLP, and we're going to have a huge squeeze. So watch out for those levels, the support and resistance. I'm going to do updates if we broke each of them, okay? So hit the notification or like button and see you in the next video.